Muhammadan Rasul Allah. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of God. And Jesus, son of Mary, is a messenger of God. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. This was Islam. Simple. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, anyone who says that in their heart, dies in that state, he will enter paradise for sure.
Come give the brothers salam, boys.